Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can retouch your face using the enhance feature on CapCut PC. So select video basic, actually no, select enhance here, and then here you can enable the face mode. Here you can also adjust the skin tone, delete dark circles for instance, here, and delete smile lines as well. If the teeth is showing, you can also adjust the white teeth filter. You can also brighten here, smoothen all as well, and you have like facial beauty as well. You also have like this makeup mode here where you can add in some makeup, like all of it. You can also just like add in eyelashes if you don't want to add in anything else. Here you can adjust it as well. You can also add eyeshadow here and like lipstick as well, but that is basically it. Here you can adjust the opacity. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!